Placing a trade couldn't be quicker and easier. Once you've done your research and you're ready to trade, click on the trading menu and select Trade Now. This will load the trading page. There are 6 steps to go through to get your trade ready. Select the correct type of investment, then make sure you're trading within the correct account if you have multiple accounts. Type in the name of the investment or its EPIC code. Decide whether you're buying or selling, then choose whether you want to buy a fixed amount of shares or pay a fixed amount for them. All that's left is to enter the quantity of shares or value. You can access additional information such as choosing a settlement period and an order type to take greater control of your trade. Once you're happy, click the Preview Order button. During market hours, clicking on Preview Order will get you a firm electronic quote at the best current price. This will be valid for 15 seconds. If you accept the quote, your order will be dealt immediately, or you can hit refresh to get another quote. If an electronic quote is not available, you have the option to send the order to our team of dealers who will ring the market to place your trade for you. It will be dealt at best, so you won't know the price you've received until the order has been completed. In addition to placing a trade, this menu allows you to set up and manage any regular investments, as well as manage orders that you've placed, but haven't yet settled. It also includes a helpful list of closing deals and a settlement calendar. That's how simple it is to place a trade with II. And finally, to keep everything safe, don't forget to log out.